Okay, so I thought I'd do this video real quick. I know a lot of guys want to add the lowers, the wind deflectors to the bottom here, and I know they're kind of pricey. So I decided to make my own, going off a couple other plans I saw online. But basically it's just this 3/4 inch aluminum angle right here. And it just runs up and hooks right into the windshield mounts if you have the stock windshield that comes with the Boulevard C50 C50T. This is an 06, but basically it's just these angle aluminum and then a piece of polycarbonate I got at Menards, which I'm sure you can get anywhere like Lowe's, Home Depot. It is, I think, an 1/8 inch thick, somewhere around there, but it's real easy to cut. I cut mine on a scroll saw and then just kind of cleaned up the edges on the bench top belt sander and a little bit of hand sanding. Drilled it on a drill press and then used stainless everything and the nylon locking nuts. So it's pretty easy. I just made up a template out of cardboard just to kind of figure out what shape I wanted. You can do whatever you want, but that's the gist of it. And I just got to watch out with your turn signals. But that's it. Hope it helps.